Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to purchase items on SHEIN. First, I am going to open the SHEIN app and I am going to log in my information. If you are new, you can click sign up. Now that I am logged into SHEIN, I am going to click on an item that I want to buy. After selecting the item, I am going to select a size, so whether it's extra small, large, or medium. So I am going to select extra small. Now I'm going to add my extra small pants to my bag and I am going to click on my bag. Now it's time to check out. Now I have all the items in my shopping bag and I'm going to check out this item and make my payment. There are different payment methods that you can use, whether it may be a credit card or debit card. So I'm going to click on my debit card. You can also add your shipping address and this address will be given to you by the shipping place that you would have signed up with. So they will give you an address to use. And I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to apply a voucher or a coupon code. Now I'm going to click on the one that says 15% off on items over $49. I am also going to use my points that I have got on daily check-ins and it brings my balance down to $49.56. Now it's time to place order. After placing an order, I need to insert my credit card or debit card information, the card number, the expiry date, and the CVV. Now I'm going to click on purchase and you will receive a message saying payment successful. You will also receive an email of order confirmation and you can keep a follow-up to see when your package is ready for pickup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, stay safe.